Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Officejet Pro 6960, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the go to sleep time on this printer. Sleep time or printer's timeout is the time after which your printer is going to sleep mode. And to change this time, we need to open the control panel, click settings button, then scroll down and find here the sleep mode, power management. Find power management, click sleep mode, and here you can choose between 5, 10, 15 minutes. Choose your mode and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.